In this video, we are going to find some of the best selling gigs, top rated sellers, and all that stuff. How to find the best selling gigs, and we'll copy or clone them, and we'll create our gigs using their techniques. So let's start with the web and mobile app designs. I'm going to select the web and mobile design here. Okay, it's taking me to the website's mobile UI UX here. You can see these are the geeks which are ranked on top, level 2 seller, top rated seller, level 1 seller. Then we have some filters like the sellers which are currently online. So we'll see only those geeks. All to mobile app. You can see here's a top rated seller again. And yeah, pretty simple. Now we are going to hunt for the mobile app developer keyword gigs. Let's search for that. For that we can see Sabatti. I'll be your mobile app developer. You can see the mobile app developer keywords in these gigs. That's why they are getting ranked on top, and also the other factors which matters like ratings and price of the gig matters a lot. You can see the Fiverr choice. If you are getting constant 5-star ratings, then these of Fiverr choice badge will appear on your gigs. Let's open this one and let's analyze what the keywords this gig has. I'll be your Android and iOS native mobile app expert developer. We can see the volume keywords like mobile app developer expert. These are the volume keywords. Let's look at the description of the gig. Looking for your own mobile app developer, you can see their description. You can simply copy and modify them according to your need. You can see the screenshots he has attached. They have attached some pretty good screenshots. Here's these are the reviews. Pretty good work. And yeah, here's the portfolio of their agency. Now here's the gig prices. They are charging 8 lakh 31 rupees, 31,000 rupees for simple ad development. Wow, that's pretty expensive. Medium app 11 lakh rupees. That's almost 7 8,000 dollars. And yeah, these are the $10,000 package premium app. That's pretty expensive. So yeah, this is how we can search for the best selling gigs. And here you can also see the top rated seller gigs. This way we first analyze other people gigs like what they have written in their gigs, all Android app developer, iPhone app, iOS mobile app development. Then we'll see their about gig information. We can simply note it down in some document. Then after that we'll start creating our gig. So that will be the next step.